Hey friends, if you encounter the blue screen of death error with the stop code NTFS file system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing. Here's what you have to do. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Now, this is one solution. The next one is to search for command prompt and then click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. So these are the two main solutions. If it doesn't work, you will obviously have to reset your computer. Although people say that it's an overkill, but there's nothing else that you can do about it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.